Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn some important plugins in QGIS. So what are those plugins? Plugins are basically some extra new functions which are added to the host program without altering the host program itself. So for that, we have to go to the option plugins. Here, we have to select manage and install plugins. First, we will install QGIS to web. In this plugin, its main function is to export the web maps in OpenLayer leaflet. So we have to install this first. As you can see, I have already installed it. And another one is Quick Map Services, this one. And its function is to add the base maps. So I have already installed it. Now I will close it. Now we have to go to the option web. Here you can see that there is two options, QGIS to web to create this web map and quick map services. From here we can add a quick base map for our data. I will choose this OSM standard map.